Hallo und willkommen bei LingoBuddy. In the previous lesson, we have learned about basic sentence structure and Fragen to ask questions and formulate basic sentences. In this lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in German, that is, sich vorstellen. Once again, sich vorstellen. You will also get bonus phrases, speaking practice, mini challenge, and a quick summary. Imagine you meet someone in Germany for the first time. They will probably ask you, Wie heißt du? Und woher kommst du? That means, what's your name and where are you from? Would you know how to answer? Well, you will learn how to answer such questions in this lesson using simple sentences. By the end of this video, you will be able to say your name, age, country, city, languages, profession, and hobbies in German. So, watch this video till the end. Los geht's! The easiest way to say your name is Ich heiße. Once again, Ich heiße. That is, my name is. For example, Ich heiße Anna oder Ich heiße David. You can also say Mein Name ist Anna. That is, my name is Anna. Both are correct. But in normal conversation, you will often hear Ich heiße. You can simply replace your name with Anna. Now repeat, Ich heiße. Great. Someone may ask you, Wie heißt du? Once again, Wie heißt du? And your answer should be Ich heiße. And your name. Next is Ich komme aus and the country of your origin. That is, Ich komme aus Indian. I come from India. You will observe the sentence structure we have learned in the previous video. The structure is Ich komme aus plus the name of your country. For example, Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. That is, I come from Germany. Ich komme aus Spanien. Ich komme aus Spanien. Ich komme aus Spanien. That is, I come from Spain. The question is, woher kommst du? Once again, the question could be, woher kommst du? That is, where are you from? And your answer should be, Ich komme aus and your country. Do you remember we have learned woher is where from? Exactly. Now, let's say, where do you live? Ich wohne in Berlin. Once again, Ich wohne in Berlin. That is, I live in Berlin. You can simply replace the city where you live with Berlin. The structure is Ich wohne in plus the name of your city. For example, Ich wohne in Hamburg. Ich wohne in München. Ich wohne in Magdeburg. These are the name of few German cities. From now, you will hear their names very often. And the question is, Wo wohnst du? Once again, Wo wohnst du? That is, where do you live? And your answer should be Ich wohne in and the name of your city. Notice the difference between when someone asks you, woher kommst du? That is, they mean the country of your origin. Where are you from? And when someone asks, wo wohnst du? It is about where do you live, which means they are asking about your city. You could say, ich komme aus Indien, aber ich wohne in Deutschland. That is, I come from India, but I live in Germany. Simply replace India or Germany with your country and city. Now, to tell someone your age, you could say, ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. That is, I am 25 years old. The basic structure here is ich bin plus your age number plus Jahre alt. For example, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Or ich bin 30 Jahre alt. In casual conversation, Germans may simply say, ich bin 25. That is, I am 25. And the question is, wie alt bist du? Once again, wie alt bist du? That is, how old are you? And your answer will be, ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Or ich bin your age number and Jahre alt. If you have not watched our previous video on German numbers, please go and watch it. You can find the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about languages. Many Germans have genuine interest to know which languages you speak. Ich spreche Englisch und Deutsch. Once again, ich spreche Englisch und Deutsch. That is, I speak English and German. The structure is ich spreche plus the language you speak. For example, ich spreche Englisch. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Spanisch und Englisch. Ich spreche Spanish und Englisch. If you are still learning German, you can say, ich lerne Deutsch. That is, I am learning German. Once again, ich lerne Deutsch. That is, I am learning German. Or, ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. That is, I speak a little German. Very useful sentence for beginners. Now, let's talk about your job or profession. You can say, ich bin Ingenieur. I am an engineer. Or, ich bin Student. That is, I am a student. And for female students, we can say, ich bin Studentin. Once again, ich bin Studentin. Another examples are, ich bin Lehrer. Ich bin Lehrer. That is, I am a teacher. And for female teacher, ich bin Lehrerin. Once again, ich bin Lehrerin. That is, I am a female teacher. And the question could be, was machst du beruflich? Was machst du beruflich? That is, what do you do for work? Or, was bist du von Beruf? That is, What is your profession? Once again, was bist du von Beruf? And you can simply answer Ich bin and your profession. Now, let's make your introduction more interesting. Say, meine Hobbys sind Reisen und Fußball. Repeat after me. Meine Hobbys sind Reisen und Fußball. That is, my hobbies are traveling and football. You can also say, Ich spiele gern Fußball. Ich spiele gern Fußball. That is, I like playing football. Or, Ich höre gern Musik. Ich höre gern Musik. That is, I like listening to music. Ich lese gern. Once again, Ich lese gern. I like reading. Ich koche gern. Ich koche gern. That is, I like cooking. Ich reise gern. Ich reise gern. That is, I like traveling. Here, gern means you like doing something. For example, Ich schwimme gern. That is, I like swimming. Now, let's put everything together. Listen first. Hallo, ich heiße Alex. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Spanien, aber ich wohne in Berlin. Ich spreche Englisch, Spanisch und ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich bin Ingenieur. Ich höre gern Musik und ich spiele Fußball. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. That means, hello, my name is Alex. I'm 25 years old. I come from Spain, but I live in Berlin. I speak English, Spanish, and a little German. I'm an engineer. In my free time, I like listening to music and playing football. Nice to meet you. At the end of an introduction, you can use these important phrases. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Once again. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. That is, nice to meet you. A shorter and very common version is freut mich. Once again, freut mich. That is, nice to meet you. And the other person can also answer freut mich auch. Once again, freut mich auch. That is, nice to meet you too. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and complete these sentences about yourself. Try saying the complete introduction without looking at the screen. And let's quickly look what we have just learned. Wie heißt du? What's your name? Ich heiße. My name is. Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Ich komme aus. I come from. Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Ich wohne in. I live in. Wie alt bist du? How old are you? Ich bin dash Jahre alt. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Which languages do you speak? Ich spreche dash dash. Was machst du beruflich? What do you do for work? Ich bin your profession. And finally, schön, dich kennenzulernen. Nice to meet you. Before you leave, introduce yourself in German in the comments below. You can use this template. Don't worry about making mistakes. Writing your own sentences is one of the best ways to practice German. Sehr gut. Now you know how to introduce yourself in German. In the next lesson, we will learn about personal pronouns in German. If you are learning German from the beginning, subscribe to our channel Lingo Buddy, because we will build your German step by step with simple explanations and real life examples. Bis bald. Tschüss.